In this video, we will calibrate the header height sensor. Header height calibration is necessary for the display to know when to turn area logging on and off. Having the area logging turn off when the header is raised will eliminate extra data points being logged that show zero yield. To begin, tap the Setup app. Select the appropriate configuration from the list. We'll select the JD9770 12-row head. If you have yet to build a harvest configuration, it can be built here by tapping the green plus, or it can be built through the Harvest app on the home screen. From the Configuration Setup screen, tap the wrench. This brings up the specific configuration setup screen for that machine. Tap the Calibrate Header Sensor button. On the combine, raise the head all the way up. Tap the Set Maximum button on the display. Next, lower the head of the combine all the way down. Tap the Set Minimum button. These two settings define the full range of movement for the header sensor. Tap the next arrow to continue. Now we need to tell the display the header height at which you want area logging to turn on and off. For this example, we are calibrating the stop height for harvesting corn. Raise the header to the height at which you'll be harvesting. Tap the Set Height button. The head position will now display down. As you raise the head above the set point, the display will change to read up. Remember, you must complete the header sensor calibration for each type of grain you will harvest. Tap the green checkbox to accept the calibration. Now you know how to calibrate the header sensor to be able to turn logging on and off based on whether the header is up or down. Please refer to your Harvest Feature User Guide for more information on harvest calibration. For more information on setup and settings for the InCommand Go display, use this QR code to access the operator's manual. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.